Which root supports thyroid health? A. Turmeric. B. Maca. C. Ashwagandha. Which root effectively suppresses cough? A. Marshmallow root. B. Beetroot. C. Licorice root. Which herb is used for its calming properties, often in teas to relieve stress? A. Chamomile. B. Mint. C. Cilantro. Which oil treats fungal infections? A. Coconut oil. B. Olive oil. C. Tea tree oil. Which herb is traditionally used to aid sleep and reduce anxiety? A. Lavender. B. Rosemary. C. Thyme. Which herb is used to help alleviate nausea and improve digestion? A. Oregano. B. Ginger. C. Mint. Which plant repels insects? A. Black cohosh. B. Marigold. C. Citronella. Which herb is known for its properties to help protect the liver and improve liver function? A. Milk thistle. B. Cloves. C. Saffron. Which herb has been used to help lower blood sugar levels in traditional medicine? A. Cinnamon. B. Parsley. C. Dill. Which herb is believed to have immune-boosting properties and is used to fight colds? A. Echinacea. B. Oregano. C. Tarragon.